Comparison of Nunix AK-500 2-in-1 blender with grinding machine, 1.5L, and its competitors. 1. Nunix AK-500 2-in-1 blender with grinding machine, 1.5L. Price, 3,199 Nigerian Nairas. Pros. Affordable, ideal for budget-conscious buyers. 2-in-1 functionality with blending and grinding capabilities. 1.5L jar, which is sufficient for most household uses. Heat fuse protection for motor safety. Quad stainless steel blades for efficient blending. Cons. Lower power, 500W, so it may struggle with tougher ingredients like ice or nuts. Plastic jar may not be as durable as glass alternatives. 2. Kaza 2-in-1 blender and grinder QBL, 2088, 2L. Price, 38,500 Nigerian Nairas. Pros. More powerful motor, 350W, ensuring better blending results. 2L capacity, offering more volume for larger batches. Grinder attachment for spices and dry ingredients. Strong stainless steel blades for consistent blending. Sleek design with modern controls.